Okay, I'm fine, beta. Today, I will take your English grammar. Actually, the chapter is am is are plus ing and have has. I will just do practice. If you want, if you can open your copy and also book. You can answer to me. There will be no problem for that. Okay. So, I can give the heading, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with am, is, are plus doing words. So I'll give something to you. Please do it yourself. Okay? Then answer me. ID Tom, why are you not muting? Okay. So I'm just giving here. Number 1, I dash dash writing. So 2 fill in the blanks are there. What will you write? Okay. So please write. And everybody, good morning, beta. And Sharna is writing, how are you? Okay, I am fine, beta. And I hope you are also fine. So please do these things. I dash dash writing. Number 2, what dash you dash. Here in the bracket, doing. Number 3, the children dash dash in the bracket, singing. So number 4, the baby dash dash in the bracket, sleeping. So number 2, number Rishi, what dash you dash, doing in the bracket. Okay. Number 1, I dash dash. Always you have got 2 dash. Okay, you will get also 2 dash. Here, first one I am just writing. I am writing. Second one, please tell me. Anyone, please answer that. Second one, please write only answer. No need to write the full sentence. Second one, what dash you dash. I am writing first one. Okay, second one. I am asking the second one. What are you doing? Rishi has answered. Very good. What are you doing? Children. Number 3. Children are singing. Then number 4. Here I have to add one. The baby. 2 dash. 1 dash and another dash after the bracket, sleeping. So number 4, the baby is sleeping. Yes, Rishi has again answered. Everybody is answering. That is very, Shusheta is answering. Riyad is answering. Very nice, beta. So, is sleeping. Only not is. 2 you have to write. If here in the bracket you will not get. Sometime option you will get like your book. So is sleeping. Shaptarshi, not is only. So is sleeping. Okay. Then after that, number here heading I am just rubbing. Number 5. The birds. Birds. I have given the birds dash 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 dash. So here I can give the flying in the sky. So birds are flying. Okay, birds are flying. flying in the sky. Okay. Saptarshi also has written only are flying like this. Full sentence, no need to write, only. Board are not clear. Why, beta? I have seen the board is clear. Let me see. Not flying, beta. Priyankshi are flying. This board is like this. Okay, I will give some gap. Okay. So I am just writing here. I am writing first sentence I have written. I think you have already written. Second sentence, what are you doing? Second sentence also I think you have completed. And third, children are, birds are flying. Only you should write that are flying like this. Priyankshi has written like this, you can. No need to Shovik the full sentence. So are flying, okay. What are you doing? Number 3, children are singing. And number 4, the baby is sleeping. So number 6. Number 6. The goat dash dash 2 dash if I am giving bleating. So please write this. You cannot see Sharon, Shivanita. I think you are having some network problem, beta. So because that Shusheta, Riyad, Priyankshi, they have seen. And just I am asking Shusheta, Priyankshi, Riyad, any problem is there? Please tell me yes or no if you are having any problem. Write yes. If you are not having any problem, you can write no. Riyad, you are having problem. You cannot see the board. Okay, no problem. Priyankshi has written that no problem. Oh, Riyad also, Shushat also, no problem. So, Shibanita, I think you are having some network problem. Please, once you leave, and I will join. Okay, beta? Okay, board is clear. They have written. So, goat is bleating. Very good. They have already answered it. Number 7. Number 7. That I am just telling that here, if I am writing I dash dash dancing. If somebody is dancing, I after we can write am dancing. Okay. So, please write here am dancing. Here I am just practicing because you should not mistake, you should not do any mistakes, okay? Because amis are always you will get my grandmother dash dash in the bracket we can write praying to God. So please write my grandmother is praying to God. Okay? So up to 8 I have done. Only 8 sentences I have given. So another 2 sentences I can give to you. Number 9 here. You dash dash the bracket looking very smart. And number 10, we dash dash waiting for bus. So please write. You are looking, very good. You are looking and we are waiting. Waiting for bus. So I have taught you that I am doing. You are, he is, she is, they are. Please remember all those things. Then after doing words means any making, doing, writing, all these words you should remember, okay? So that's why I have done all these things. I think you will not do any mistakes. Then next chapter I'll go. Has and have. Fill in the blanks with has and have. Fill in the blanks with has, have. Okay. So here my grandfather mother is praying to God. I think if you have completed, if you have not completed, please look at the YouTube class. Okay. Okay, has and have, please remember, has and have, I am just again giving the reminder, if I am telling has and have means belongings, I am having something, I am the owner of my bag, owner of my pen, so please remember, okay. Number 1, I dash many pencils. Number 2, have. Very good, have. Number, how much money do you dash? After you, what you will write? I told you, I have, you have. Very good. How much money do you have? How much money do you have? Number 3. A cow dash 4 legs. Number 4. Goats dash 4 legs. Please remember, please look at the sentence. These 2 sentences you should look. Shania and Saptarshi has written, first one has, Priyanshi also. Cow has 4 legs. But number 4, goats dash 4 legs. Goats, that is a plural. But that is not have. Has, that we should write have. Goats have also 4 legs. Number 5, insects dash. You are having in your book, no? All these things you are having in your book. Insects. So, insects, 6 legs. So, insects have. Number 6, birds dash 2 legs. Number 7, a parrot dash 2 legs. These 2 sentences you should do. Birds, number 6, birds, that is plural. Birds means actually general we are telling. That time have. And parrot is only singular number. Parrot has. So that's why that I am giving like this type of things, okay? So you will not do any mistakes, you will not do confused. Sometime we are giving that birds have, a parrot has. Parrot's also bird, but it is a singular number, okay? So, please remember, the children is a plural number. Have many toys. But 9, if I am telling Raju dash a pencil. Raju has a singular number. And number 10, I can give that. Raju and Ramu dash many pencils, many pens, I can tell. So they too, that is plural, yes, it is have. So singular and plural, you have already understood, only you can just notice that. And you should be very careful about that. You know everything. So read the sentence very nicely, then you will not do any mistakes. If you are having any problem, please tell me. If you are having any problem, please tell me. Okay, beta. Then bye.